It is Friday afternoon. Freedom is coming.
You make big plans. I will hike. I will clean. I will study.
But reality hits. You sleep until noon.
You feel the Sunday scaries?
Stop wasting time. Learn to make real plans.
Find the balance. Relaxing, but productive.
Welcome to episode 16. Have a great weekend.
Hello, everyone. TGIF. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. TGIF indeed. Thank God it's Friday. We are so happy to be here for episode 16.
Michael, be honest. Are you a weekend warrior who climbs mountains, or are you a couch potato?
That is a tough question. In my head, I am a warrior. I plan to go to the gym, visit a museum, and learn French.
And in reality?
In reality, I usually wake up late, drink coffee for 2 hours, and watch Netflix. I am definitely a part-time couch potato.
I'm so relieved to hear that. I always feel guilty because I want to be productive, but my bed is just too comfortable.
It is a common struggle. We want to seize the day, but we also need to rest. Today, we're going to talk about that balance.
We will learn the vocabulary for different types of weekends: low-key, packed, and productive.
We will learn useful phrases like sleep in, catch up on, and run errands. These are essential for daily life.
And we have a very important grammar focus: how to talk about future plans using the present continuous.
So, don't sleep in. Let's get started. Please like this video to start your weekend right and subscribe for more free lessons.
Part 1. The lazy weekend. Sleeping in and chilling.
So, Anna, describe your perfect lazy weekend.
Oh, easy. First, I turn off my alarm. I love to sleep in.
Sleep in. That means sleeping later than usual, right? Not oversleep, which is a mistake.
Exactly. Oversleep means you are late for work. Sleep in is a luxury. I sleep until 10 a.m. Then I have a slow breakfast in my pajamas.
That sounds lovely. Do you go out?
No, I usually have a low-key weekend.
Low-key. That's a great adjective. It means quiet, relaxed, not busy or exciting.
Yes, I might binge watch a show like we discussed in episode 14, or just read a book. I just want to recharge.
Recharge, like a battery. We all need that. If we don't recharge, we burn out. What about you, Michael? Can you relax, or do you have to do something? I find it hard to do nothing. If I sit still, I feel guilty. I feel like I'm wasting time.
Part 2. The productive weekend. Chores and errands.
So even if I want to relax, I usually have to run errands.
Run errands. We use this phrase all the time. What does it mean exactly?
It means doing small, necessary tasks outside the house, like going to the post office, going to the bank, or buying groceries.
Ah, the boring stuff. I hate running errands. It takes all Saturday.
It does. And then there are chores. These are the tasks inside the house: cleaning, laundry, washing dishes.
Ugh, I usually put off my chores until Sunday night, and then I'm stressed.
That is a bad strategy, Anna. I try to do my chores on Friday evening or Saturday morning. Get them out of the way.
Get them out of the way. Finish them early so you can relax later. That's smart.
It is. Then Sunday is free for fun stuff, or for catching up on work.
Catch up on. That means doing work that you didn't finish before. I tried to avoid that.
Part 3. Vocabulary and Grammar Deep Dive.
Let's clean up our vocabulary list. Here is our deep dive.
First word, productive. Definition, doing a lot of work or achieving a lot. Example, I cleaned the whole house. It was a very productive weekend.
Next is the idiom sleep in. Definition, to sleep until later in the morning than you usually do. Example, on Saturdays, I love to sleep in.
A very cool slang word, low-key. Definition, quiet, relaxed, not flashy or busy. Example, I'm having a low-key birthday dinner, just a few friends.
Next is to run errands. Definition, to go out to buy or do things, bank, groceries, dry cleaning. Example, I can't meet you, I have to run some errands.
And finally, couch potato. Definition, a person who takes little or no exercise and watches a lot of television. Example, I was a total couch potato yesterday.
Grammar focus. Future arrangements, present continuous. Now for the grammar. We are talking about plans, but we don't always use will or going to.
Correct. When we talk about arrangements with other people, plans that have a time and a place, we often use the present continuous.
Wait, present continuous is for right now, isn't it? I am speaking.
Yes, but it is also for the future, if it is a fixed plan. Example, I am meeting Sarah at 7 p.m. tonight. This is a plan.
Can I say, I will meet Sarah?
You can, but I will sounds like a promise or a decision made right now. I am meeting sounds like it is already organized.
What about I am going to meet?
That is also correct. It shows intention, but native speakers often prefer the shorter present continuous for social plans. Example, what are you doing this weekend? Not, what will you do?
Answer, I am playing tennis on Saturday.
I am visiting my parents. It sounds very natural and confirmed.
Part 4. Interactive Roleplay. Making Plans.
Now let's practice. Imagine you want to make plans with a friend.
I will invite Michael to do something. Listen to how he accepts or declines.
Ready?
Hey Michael, what are you doing this Saturday?
I'm visiting my brother in the morning, but I'm free in the afternoon.
Do you want to catch a movie?
That sounds great. Let's do it.
Now it is your turn. Michael will ask you. I want you to say you are busy because you are working. Use the present continuous. I am working. Ready?
Hey, do you want to go to the beach on Sunday?
Did you say it? I'm sorry, I can't. I am working on Sunday.
Let's try one more. Tell me you are having dinner with your family. Ready? Are you free on Friday night?
Sorry, I am having dinner with my family.
Excellent. Using the present continuous makes your excuse sound very real and fixed. Part 5. The Sunday Scaries.
Michael, before we finish, we have to talk about the cold open topic, the Sunday Scaries.
Ah, yes. That feeling of anxiety on Sunday evening because the weekend is over and work is coming.
It is a real thing. You start worrying about emails and meetings. How do we stop it?
One tip is plan something fun for Monday night.
Really? Monday?
Yes. If you have a movie night or a nice dinner planned for Monday, you won't dread the start of the week so much.
That is clever. Also, prepare. Get your clothes ready and pack your bag on Sunday morning, not Sunday night.
Right. So Sunday night can be purely for relaxing, a hot bath, a book, and early sleep.
Don't check your work emails on Sunday.
Never. That is the rule. Keep the weekend sacred.
Conclusion. I feel ready for the weekend now.
We learned words like low-key, sleep in, and run errands.
We mastered the grammar of future arrangements. I am meeting friends.
And we learned how to beat the Sunday scaries.
Now here's your 15-minute action plan. Open your calendar or diary.
Look at next weekend. Schedule one productive thing, like cleaning, and one fun thing, like meeting a friend.
And say the sentences out loud. On Saturday morning, I am cleaning my room. On Sunday night, I am seeing a movie.
Balance is key. And before you go, we have a question for you.
What is your ideal Saturday? A productive day, getting things done, or a lazy day, doing nothing?
Tell us in the comments. Example, I love a lazy Saturday with coffee and books.
Or, I love a productive Saturday, hiking and shopping. We want to know.
Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Bye!